Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can solo walk through the Valentine's quest on Dress to Impress. This is the first chapter that I will show you. So I'm just gonna wait for this to teleport. Just gonna skip as well. Alright, you're just going to walk to the gate. You don't have to find anything else. And I'm just going to skip it. God, I matched with him. Okay, we are going to walk to this room on the left. And then there's going to be cutscenes. So I'm just going to skip that. And you will need to memorize the potions, so just keep an eye out for that. Okay, rose and unicorn hair. I'm going to shake it. And we're going to mix that in with the unicorn hair. So make sure you memorize that. Don't worry, you only need to memorize 2 potions. Then you're going to mix that around 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Put it in any bottle. I just like to use the heart-shaped bottle because it's cute. Then bring the potions to the front, and you're going to do it 3 times if you are doing it solo. Actually, I think the first chapter isn't too hard, but the second one is a little bit difficult, like the obby. Even though when you like fall, you'll still be alive, but it's still annoying. Give it to that. And then we need 1 more potion. Okay, moon and scales. Moon and scales. There we go. Again, you're going to mix the... Oh my god, why is this so hard for me to do? There we go. Sorry, I don't know why mixing takes so long for me. Great job. Yay. Okay. After that, this is a little bit tricky once you're done with that. So go to the portal and you'll need to shoot hearts. So I don't know if I can do this. You also have like a time limit. You'll need to like shoot the middle of it. So, oh my god, there we go. Can barely see that. There we go. Oh my god, I thought I got that. Bro. Well, my advice would to be just shoot it in the middle, but it's a little bit hard to do because like you need the timing to be right. Oh my gosh, I'm not even getting that one. There we go. Gosh, I have 2 minutes. Honestly, do this with friends because it's way easier if you have a lot of people helping you. I don't think I'm even gonna get this, but if I don't, I mean, like, this is it for the chapter 1 walkthrough. Like, there's nothing else to do. Bro, are you kidding me? Like, are you kidding me? There we go. God. Oh, okay. So you'll need to like aim it and then shoot it when it's coming. Like that. There we go. Getting the hang of it, kind of. God. It's a little bit harder to do the one on the bottom. Come on. I only have 1 minute. There we go. One more. Come on. Okay, we need a few more, I guess. Oh my gosh, I only have 1 minute. I'm like in panic mode right now. Hello? Come on. There we go. Oh my god, I need like one more. Okay, let's do this one. I don't even know like how much I need. Why am I not getting it? There we go. Oh my god. Okay, so do that. I guess it's a little bit tricky to do. Anyways. Lastly, we have this cutscene, which I'm going to skip again. And then we need to shoot the locked target, so it's a little bit tricky to do. But that's it, really. That's all for chapter 1. I think it's going to take like forever for me to do. So yeah, that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.